My name's Dabek. I'm a solicitor specialising in spinal cord injury claims. I started at Burdon Kemp in 2007, so quite a few years ago. I initially worked as a paralegal, assisting a partner. I was then very pleased to be offered a training contract, and two years later I qualified into clinical negligence claims. Shortly after that I decided to specialise in spinal cord injury claims, and throughout that period of time I was able to progress to the level of senior associate. I'm also very proud to now be managing a team of junior lawyers. I trained in a variety of areas of law, compensation law, including personal injury, medical negligence and historic abuse claims. I think the important thing about the training contract was the complexity of cases that I was exposed to and being able to get a really good level of responsibility. I decided to specialise in spinal cord injury claims because I could see the difference that I was able to make. There was a particular case that I worked on early on in my career where it was a medical negligence claim for a young girl, and she sustained a very severe spinal cord injury, and it was a difficult case. We had no admissions from the hospital. And so there was a lot of work that was needed, but we have managed to secure a very significant compensation for her. And after the case settled, she invited me to come over to see the dream house that she was able to build with compensation monies, and that just made it for me. It made me realise that we can make a difference. Many of the cases that I deal with currently are complex and also involve novel points of law. So every day is different and every day is challenging in its own way, and that's what I like about it. I also like the fact that I work with colleagues who are equally passionate about helping people who have sustained severe life-changing injuries. Everyone really wants you to do your best work. We have an amazing training program that is customised to everyone's needs, so everyone can do what they want to do, what they feel passionate about. But also, importantly for me, I'm a mother to two boys, and what's important is having that work and life balance, and Burdon Kemp offers that as well. It was a case involving a little girl who unfortunately sustained a very severe injuries as a result of a catalogue of errors from of the hospital, and it wasn't clear whether admissions would be made. And when that day arrived, I was reading the letter and admissions were made, and it was a very, very emotional moment. I had a few tears because of the difference that it would make to my client and her family. If you feel passionate about the work that we do, then yes, by all means get in contact and you will not regret it. It's an amazing firm to work for, recognised as leaders in the field, and we like to have fun as well too.